Are you ready to take control of your weight without compromising on taste? Do you want to successfully lose weight without dramatically altering your life? If you're on this page, then you're in the right place to discover how you can lose weight eating tasty, delicious meals and without drastically changing your lifestyle. Whether you're planning to diet for the first time or if you've tried diets in the past with less than satisfactory results, what you're about to discover will transform how you view weight loss. The problem is that most diets focus on short-term, rapid weight loss, but the minute you stop dieting, things quickly come undone. You have to count calories, cut back on just about everything, and as for taste, well, you can forget about enjoying your food while you're dieting. And after all that effort, you could find that you put the weight back on faster than you lost it. Sound familiar? Losing weight over the short term and then regaining it when you stop dieting leads to a yo-yo effect that pushes you into a never-ending diet cycle. And the reason for this is that following those diets that focus only on short-term weight loss puts you at risk of destabilising your weight and causing weight gain instead of losing the extra pounds you were hoping to get rid of. So if you're serious about losing weight and these methods don't work, you may be wondering how you'll ever shift those extra pounds. You've probably encountered people who seem to keep their weight down easily, but if you've tried and failed to drop a dress size or two in the past, then you probably also know that it's never as easy as it looks. And like most of us, you also know bland, tasteless meals will quickly cause you to stray from your diet regime. So instead of giving you just another dull, boring diet plan, we're going to share tasty, nutritious recipes that will help you lose weight without getting bored with the foods available to you. What we've found is the best way to stay motivated and focused on your goals while on a diet is with tasty meal plans that offer a healthy, diverse range of food. Team that with meal plans and recipes that cut out the foods that go straight to your hips, and you'll start to see the results you hoped for. To help you with this, we've put together the Scarsdale Diet Companion. Based on the popular Scarsdale medical diet, this ebook is full of nutritious, tasty recipes that will help you achieve success with the low-carb Scarsdale diet. Instead of leaving you to count calories and struggle with bland, boring meal plans, the book contains everything you need to ensure you reach your weight loss targets. Here are some of the benefits you'll find from using this diet book. The Scarsdale Diet Companion contains 90 recipes from the original Scarsdale diet, along with an additional 300 in the bonus Low Carb and Scarsdale Diet Recipes ebook, giving you even greater variety and diversity to keep you interested while you're dieting. You won't have to give up flavoursome, nutritious food in order to lose weight. By following the diet plan and drawing inspiration from the 300+ recipes, you'll get to eat delicious, tasty food while the weight falls away. You can forget about counting calories or calculating the amount of fat in your food. Just follow the ready-made recipes precisely and watch as the weight falls away fast. You don't have to worry about not feeling full enough. On this diet, you can eat as much as you like, as long as you strictly follow the recipes and use the ingredients specified. You won't feel tired or lethargic because there's no deprivation involved in this diet. After completing the diet, you'll find there are no long-term negative effects. Unlike some diets where you gain weight when you stop, this diet helps to stabilize your weight so that you can continue to lose weight when you restart the diet. As you lose weight and start getting positive comments from friends and family, you'll start to experience an increase in confidence, helping you to stay motivated and on track to achieving your weight loss goals. So now, let's look at why this diet book is so beneficial. The Scarsdale Diet Companion helps you to successfully lose weight by giving you practical, proven meal plans and recipes that you'll enjoy. Not only will you lose weight rapidly, you'll also be able to keep it off successfully for the long term. Other diet plans will severely limit the types of foods you can eat, but the Scarsdale Diet meal plans and recipes in this book provide a diverse range of foods. You won't start to lose your motivation, and you won't become bored with repetitive, bland meals. In fact, if you're following the Scarsdale diet or a low-carb diet, you'll find the only restriction is that you have to stick to the rules about carb-rich foods. In the Scarsdale Diet Companion, you'll discover how to eliminate excess calories from your diet by cutting out carbs, why more often than not, calories from carbs turn into fat because they're not fully utilized by the body. How to increase your metabolism and feel full for longer by increasing the amount of protein in your diet. How to boost lean muscle mass through a protein-rich diet so that the increased muscle mass helps burn fat even when you're not exercising. How to keep your metabolism high so that you continue to burn fat even when you're finished with the diet program. We believe this diet book contains all the principles, recipes, meal plans and guidance you need to succeed on the low-carb Scarsdale diet. In fact, we're so confident, we'll even offer you a full 60-day, no questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee. So now, it's your turn to decide. Are you ready to shift that stubborn weight and start transforming your appearance to achieve a leaner, more slim you? This 129-page book will introduce you to a range of tasty, diverse diet meal plans that will ensure you stay interested and motivated. If you're ready to take action, then get your copy now. You'll get instant access and you could even begin working on a whole new you today.